You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this area from history in nowadays Uzbekistan. If you want to learn more names from history, Latin, this is the Latin name originally, the land beyond the Oxus, pronounced as, in English, Transoxiana. Now, the S's either pronounced like a Z or like an S, Transoxiana or Transoxiana. I like to pronounce it right in between, Transoxiana, so at least you're sure. Transoxiana. That's your English pronunciation. Transoxiana. Transoxiana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.